How to pay PLDT bills using GCash. Open GCash. Log into your GCash app using your 4-digit MPIN. On the main dashboard, tap Bills. Tap Search Biller. Type PLDT. And select PLDT. Enter account details. Fill in your account information carefully. Amount. The total bill amount to be paid. 10-digit account number. Found on your PLDT billing statement. Email address, where your payment acknowledgement receipt will be sent. It is optional. Review the details and tap Next. Review all details to ensure accuracy, then tap Confirm. Please note that paying PLDT via GCash comes with a 7 pesos convenience fee. Check your transaction history to confirm the payment went through. Important notes. Receipt: take a screenshot of the in-app confirmation page and keep the SMS email receipt for reference until the payment post.